guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the chroma key feature in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it, guys. For example, I'm going to use the chroma key feature to remove the green screen. This is my green screen video, and then we're going to go to the video menu, select remove background, and you'll see chroma key feature right here. And then you're going to select the color picker and pick the color that you want to remove. And since I want to remove the green screen, I'm gonna choose green. Okay, and then we can adjust the intensity and also the shadow. For the feather edge, it's free when the first time you apply it, but next you need to subscribe to CapCut. And for the cleanup edge as well, it's not free. Okay, and now the green screen has been removed from my video, guys, and we can replace the background if we want. Well, let me change the layer. Okay, I'm just going to use the random background. Alright. And I'm gonna play it. Okay, and basically that's how you can use the chroma key feature, guys. You can use it to remove a color from your video. It's very useful if you want to change the background of the green screen. And okay, guys, that's how we can use the chroma key feature in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!